Now, if you already have a website, you can also use Forms and Pop-ups to build your marketing list. So we'll go back to the Tools menu and we'll click on Forms and Pop-ups. And on the right, click the Create button. And first we'll do an embedded form, so we'll click on that option. And you can use a blank template or one of the pre-designed templates. So let's scroll down and find one. Let's use this one here. And back in the GetResponse editor, we can just highlight the text and edit it. So I'll change it to free consultation. And we'll also edit the subtext here. Get your free coaching evaluation. And if we click on the sign up form, we can edit the settings here. So you can redirect someone to either a thank you page or to another page or website. So if a landing page, you can specify it here. And then we're going to connect this form to our coaching marketing list. And you can specify an opt-in confirmation and also add them to the autoresponder cycle. You also have the reCAPTCHA option here. And you can also redesign your button here. We'll click on Next and we go to the settings page, so we'll give it a name. And you can choose to display it on an entire website or specific pages. And if you scroll down to the bottom, this is the code you want to add to your website where you want the form to appear. So now let's do a pop-up. Click Next. And this time we'll use a blank template. I use this one a lot, so we'll pick that one. And again, you're in the editor, so just like with the forms, you can click and highlight to edit the text. Say free consultation, don't miss out. Click on the image holder. And we'll click replace, and we'll choose the photo that I've already uploaded here. And you can click and resize to whatever dimensions you want. We'll edit this text here. And we'll click on the call to action button. And you can relabel it here. We'll say book it. And this time we'll redirect to our landing page that we previously created. And again, you can also redesign the button, shape and colors. And we'll click on Next up in the right corner. And we're going to set our display rules. So for the demo, our target audience is going to be everybody, so we'll just say all. Then we need to specify what's going to trigger the pop-up. And for our demo here, we're going to say on exit intent, so when somebody tries to exit out of our page, they're going to get the pop-up message. And then you can also set how many times or when the pop-up should be displayed. For our demo here, we're going to always display it. You can specify a number of times or a date range if you want to. And click Next. And we'll give the pop-up a name. A free consultation pop-up. And again, you can specify whether you want it displayed on an entire website, on every page, or a specific page. And so, for example, if I wanted to display it on my entire website, I would go up and copy the URL, paste it in here. And to display the pop-ups, you can use the Web Connect feature. And what you need to do is add this code to the head section of your page. And so when somebody tries to exit, they get the pop-up like that. And if they click the Book It button, they go into our landing page.